So first of all, let me tell you about my last video. I made a last video about can. And if you don't know how to use can, just go there and watch my last video. It will help you to understand how to use can in English. Hello there, good morning to all of you. My name is Salman and you are watching English Hub Academy. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use could. Could is a modal verb which is most common use in English and you should learn it. And now I'm going to teach you about could without taking too much time. Our first point is past ability. Let's have some example of it. जब कोरोना वायरस इंडिया में नहीं था तो मैं आपको क्लास में पढ़ा सका. I could teach you in the classroom when the coronavirus was not in India. जब तुम बच्चे थे तो तुम भी पत्थर तोड़ पाए. When you were a child, you also could break a stone. वह मॉडल वर्ब सीख पाई क्योंकि वो पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छी थी. She could learn modal verbs because she was smart at studying. जब वह कॉलेज में था तो गिटार बजाना सीख सका. He could learn how to play the guitar when he was in the college. When we talk about the possibility of could, so on the time we can make sentence in three situations: present, past and future. Let's have some examples of it. अगर आप रोजाना स्कूल नहीं जाओगे तो एग्जाम में फेल हो जाओगे. If you don't go to school regularly, so you could fail in the exams. It is a sentence of future. And now, just talk about present sentence. वह तुम्हारी वजह से नाराज हो सकती है. She could be sad because of you. आज मुझे ऑफिस में बहुत काम है, उसकी वजह से मैं लेट हो सकता हूँ. I could be late because I have a lot of work in my office. अगर उसके पास सब्जियां होती तो वो खाना बना सकती थी. She could have cooked food if she had a vegetables. आप बाइक चलाने की कोशिश मेरी मोटरसाइकिल से कर सकते हो. You could try to ride from my bike. आप कुछ पैसे मुझे उधार देने के लिए अपनी मम्मी से पूछ सकते हो. You could ask your mother to lend some money. And now we are going to make our last point. Our last point is making request. क्या इंग्लिश सीखने में आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Could you help me to learn English, please? Let's have some examples of past situation of could. क्या आप खाना बना पाए? Could you make food? क्या आप मुझसे बात कर पाए? Could you talk to me? क्या आप एक अच्छे इंसान बन पाए? Could you become a good person? क्या मैं आपसे बातें कर पाया? Could I talk to you? अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक माई वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड शेयर माई वीडियो to your friends, family or groups. Thank you so much for watching my video.